All right, good morning from Calvert Manor. You can see right down there is Piscataway Creek. So we're a couple houses from the creek. Just wanted to document the trees that are going to be taken out today. This is a sweet gum. I'm standing on the roof, so this is sweet gum. It's leaning over. It's got fungus on it. You can see the fungus right there. And so this buddy's going today. Pretty low value tree in terms of food or fiber. Does give good shade, but it's got to go. So we had a neighbor remove a very large elm that was blocking the prevailing wind coming right off the creek, and then it pushed down the twin to this black walnut across our yard right there. That's the gap that it left. And so this tree is next in line to take that wind pressure, and with the fungus and leaning over the house, it's going to go. Got the tree guys out here today, getting ready to rock here. This is a poplar. It's got a big crack up it, and it's really missing bark and dry and rotten up at the crotch. So that big poplar is going to go. Collateral damage, these two little trees will go. That wild cherry gets to stay. This poplar is nice and healthy. I'm gonna trim up this dogwood later. Let me just keep going around here. This big oak right here, very, very close to the house. Very big, mature, and heavy tree. And some massive branches hanging over the house. So that thing's gonna go. It's also causing some grading issues. This is the downslope here. So we're gonna have to put some kind of a drainage, a swale, something on contour there. What this tree is doing is the root base is building up, and it's creating a valley between the tree and the house, and it's making the basement wet. So just for that reason alone, it has to go, let alone the thousands of pounds of wood that's hanging over the house. So the fourth tree that's coming out is this holly tree here. It's a nice healthy holly tree, but it's planted between, right at the property line, between the building, right in the setback zone. So if there was anything wrong to go with this tree, it would just cause damage whichever way it fell. So as long as I've got professionals here, I'm just going to mitigate the risk and remove this holly tree. So some trees coming out, but certainly a lot of trees staying, and this will open up the sunshine around the house, create space for a nice rain garden and proper drainage for the basement there, as well as a big patio here. And really the idea is to open up the yard so that it has a more open kind of forest glade feel. Right now, as you can see, we've got this kind of like yard one here, and then there's a tree line, and then behind it there's another almost equal sized yard there. So I'd like that to be one big open glade. So these guys are kicking butt already. So that's what we have today, and let's shoot another video tonight or tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. We'll see how the property changes. They're already at the business. I love it. It's just after 7 a.m.